All right, guys, let's do something. Let's cook and have some fun. It is wintertime. It's the middle of December. It's cold as shit here in Napa right now. It's like 42 degrees. Let's make some soup. I'm gonna make a butternut squash, sweet potato. We're gonna add a little orange, add some coconut cream here, make it all simmery and nice and great for a real cold winter day and pretty easy to make. So let's get it started. All right, this is kind of the toughest part, just getting this butternut squash open. So take your time, get a nice sharp knife and split it open. There you go. Scoop out the middle, obviously. You don't have to do a really good job, maybe just get the seeds out. I'm gonna leave this whole, just put it right on the pan, on the cookie sheet. Let's cover everything in olive oil. Gonna put a couple of Calabrian peppers on there. Gonna salt this a little bit. And where there's salt, there's always a little pepper. So let's get some fresh ground pepper going. Okay, that's it. Flip these over, roast them. I'm gonna go run some errands, do some things. This will be done in, I don't know, an hour, doesn't really matter. Okay, here we go. Everything's roasted. Took it out about an hour to roast everything up. I did add a couple of carrots after I put it in the oven. I thought that'd add a little more sweetness to it. I've already got my chicken stock base, this Better Than Bouillon, which I really like, in the pot. So we'll be getting to that in a moment. And you can make this as a vegan soup very, very easily just by using a vegetable stock, which I believe this brand has a vegetable stock. So let's assemble it, put it together, and try it out. Okay, got everything in here, almost everything. Some coconut cream. This is gonna add a little bit of depth of flavor. It's certainly gonna add some thickness to it, which is gonna be really good. And then just a little bit of an orange. Just for a little added sweetness. Okay, I told you I already had the base in there, the bouillon base. So now I'm just adding a little hot water. I'm gonna go about an inch above all the ingredients. Stir this up just a little bit, maybe a little less than an inch. There's the Calabrian hot peppers. We're gonna get to those in a minute. So we're gonna put this on the stove, then we're gonna get the immersion blender. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, here we go. Butternut squash soup. I put some pumpkin seeds on top, a little sour cream. I got some German rye bread to give it some crunch. Oh yeah. Yeah, you want this. You know what really makes it Italian and really makes it good is that Calabrian pepper that I put in there, and I emulsified it in there with the rest of the vegetables. Salt and pepper as you like to taste, up to you, but it's pretty good the way it is. So hope you enjoy it, hope you try it. Subscribe, hope you follow this, and I'll just be doing more cooking and we'll see where this goes. Ciao.